So Quasar Alpha, this model has been released as a stealth model on Open Router. A stealth model are secretly released by companies in order to test the product quietly before any of the competitors or public gets to know about it. So this stealth model is being rumored as one of the OpenAI model, but even though there are speculations of it being a Google Gemini model or some other, this model is self-proclaiming to be made by GPT-4 by OpenAI. The model specializes in coding. We can easily see its performance against many of the top models in the coding benchmarks. It's around the corners with them. It's a lot more faster than any other models. It has a 1 million context window. It's free to use. You can use it on the Open Router by using its chat. It has the free API key, so yeah, it is getting adapted by a lot of people. So yeah, the Quasar Alpha is a really powerful model right now. You can see it's number 3 in the programming right now, translation number 7, academia number 8, in technology number 9. So yeah, it's performing really well. And then as well in marketing, SEO, it's number 2. So it's performing really well right now. Okay, so guys, in order to access the Quasar Alpha model, so you first need to head to the Open Router because they have released the Quasar Alpha stealth model right now. So yeah, you could search Open Router on the Google and you'll be led to here. So you can search the first option. Yeah, so you have been directed to this page. Over here, you can just sign in, and you can sign in with your GitHub account or your Google account. I'm signing in with my Google account right now. Yeah, so now I've signed up. I can search the models over here. You can just search for Quasar Alpha, and yeah, this is the Quasar Alpha model. And over here, you can just go to this chat tab and you can test the product, the LLM model over here. You have a new page right now. It's a free model over here. So in this chat, we are going to test this out. We'll first ask it to build a growth plan on how to learn AI in 2025. So we will just ask it to build a growth plan on how to learn AI in 2025. So you could see how it's generating this all in such a short amount of time. You can see its speed. It's generating a huge amount of information in a really short time. Speed is a huge edge for this stealth model right now. And now we could ask the model to generate a cool and attractive looking landing page for an agency. And yeah, we could just say generate a cool and attractive looking landing page for a video editing agency. And yeah, let's enter, and you could see the code which has been generated by this. And if you could just copy this code, now you could just run this code over here. You can paste over here and just run the code, and yeah, you will be directed to over here. You could see how in a very short time you could see the amount of work it has done and the accuracy of how cool does this look. It's generating a good result. We could just ask this to add the tabs and some more things to this landing page right now. We could just head back. Yeah, now we have just asked it to add 4 to 5 tabs and add a bottom page, or which gives the option for different type of packages. And also we have asked it to add brand logos of the clients we have worked with in order to show the previous clients. So yeah, it has generated a HTML code, so we could just copy that. Just copy this over here. Yeah, now we could see it has generated the 4 to 5 tab which we asked it to generate. And yeah, you could just go down, and yeah, over here you could see the brands we have worked with, the previous brands. It's giving the logos, it's displaying the logos of them. The positioning and the size is not accurate, but yeah, we could easily adjust it over there. We could just ask it to, and you could see the packages, how well model. It has displayed the packages, the basic, the standard, and the premium. It has given the descriptions, the options, the buttons it has added, and this is just created in such a short amount of time, which is really mind-blowing to me. You could see how accurate the results are and how cool looking the landing page for the website is. And so now we can also ask this model to generate a 3D car model simulation on a road or crossing and barriers. So what we have done over here is we asked the model to generate a 3D car model in HTML, and it has generated that. We are just going to copy this, just going to paste the code over here, run it, and yeah, you could see the model, the 3D car model, which is being shown. It's not that good. It's not that much accurate, but still we are gonna see a few things about it. So now we have asked to make the car drive on the road, and it has generated the code. Let's test this out. Yeah, you could see how the car is driving on a road, and yeah, it's not that much, but you could see it's starting to give some kind of sense to it. Now we are asking to generate a simulation in which we can drive the car with the arrow keys on keyboard and pass the barriers on the road. And now copy this and now let's run the code and see what happens. And yeah, you could see how there are barriers which is crossing, and I can move it with my arrow key over here, but the thing is it's not tracking the car. We can't see the car, and yeah, you could see if we hit the barriers, giving the game over thing, it has done this automatically, and yeah, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let's search, and we can ask it to track the car with the camera. Just the camera should be close to the car, so yeah, we are just gonna do that thing over here. I've just asked it to also please move the camera with the car, and yeah, it has revised the code, and you're just pasting it, and now we are gonna run this code, and you could see how it's tracing the car. The camera is with the car. Sorry, the game is over. I'm pretty bad at it, but yeah, you could see how I could drive the car, and this is done in a pretty much short amount of time, and this kind of results are really mind-blowing to me, because we could see the possibility of how it's gonna be game-changing. So it's not that good of a quality than the Claude and Gemini model, but still, it is giving results much better than some of the other paid models out there. Quasar Alpha seems to be a pretty much powerful model with its speed that stands out the most. It cannot revolutionize the AI industry, but it has game-changing capabilities due to few of its features, outperforming other models in several different benchmarks. What are your thoughts about this model? Please do let me know in the comment section below, and please do subscribe the channel and like the video. And in order to get the latest information about the new AI tools and full guides of AI agents and workflows, please do fill the form below so we can send you the full guides and PDFs to the people who are really serious about AI. See you in the next video.